Which of the following events occurred immediately after Alexander sang with a group? A. Alexander interviewed with Mr. Robeson. B. Alexander listened to Kevin's group sing. C. Alexander joined Kevin's group to sing again. Or D. Alexander sang alone. In order to answer this question, we need information from the fifth paragraph, which I have posted here. This paragraph describes Alexander singing with a group. Mr. Robeson put them into groups of 4 or 5 and asked them to sing again, this time as a group. Alexander thoroughly enjoyed singing with the other boys. The paragraph goes on to tell us that Kevin's group sang right after Alexander's. Because the paragraph specifies that Kevin's group sang right after Alexander's, and our question is asking what occurred immediately after, we can head down to our choices and mark B, Alexander listened to Kevin's group sing, as our final answer.